Let me guess. You're sick of those random colorful pixels in your photos. Me too. What is up, guys? My name's Psutka, aspiring photographer and filmmaker based out of Toronto, Canada. And today I'm going to show you how to get rid of those little teeny tiny colorful pixels that we find when we zoom in on our images. Alright, let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Lightroom and import your photo. Alright, so I took this photo a little while back, and I remember when I was editing this one that there was a ton of them. We're just going to call these colorful pixels noise. Some people might refer to it as color fringing or something like that, but we'll just call it noise. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw on one of my presets. I'm going to bring the exposure down just a little bit. That's fine for now. I'm going to scroll down till we get to the noise reduction section. And there's going to be a slider right here that says color. Now I'm going to zoom in. You can see them a lot better now that I've color graded it. It looks horrible. We're going to take that color slider, we're just going to slide it up, just nice and slowly. See how it goes away? Let's go! So I've got to about 15, and it's pretty much all gone. That's all Christmas lights. You can see on the brick walls here, it's just the color of the bricks. The windows are just the color of the windows. Zoomed out, bring it down. Now, see how everything got a little bit brighter? Like the Christmas lights and whatnot? I'm going to bring that back up. So it is going to affect the color of the whole image here, so you have to really be careful with it. I don't even think we need 15 for this one. I'm going to go 12. I'm happy with 12. And that's not destroying the color of the image. It's just getting rid of those pixels. You do lose a little bit of brightness in the other colors, like especially those Christmas lights. They pop. But you can fix that in your other adjustments, and you've gotten rid of the main problem, the noise. And it's as simple as that. If you go down there, hit that like button, you'll have done something positive today. You'll have helped me out. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe as well, so you know the second I put out another one of these. I also do photography challenges, where I take randomized camera settings and try and take the vestibule. Try and take the best photo possible. They're a lot of fun. I think you'll really enjoy them, and I'll see you guys in the next one.